Stand by, we will be starting shortly. I guess I shouldn't have started just yet. I gotta get some more things together, but just a little heads up. This live we're gonna be going over and showing how somebody's a liar, debunking. As you can tell from the title, that is their DOC number that they were bragging about. They got 14, yes, count them, 14 cases. Not all criminal, but we got some speeding, 99 and a 75. Ooh, damn. You know, it's no wonder the little motherfucker didn't kill somebody. You know, since he loves to talk about and speculate and make up that somebody's speeding just over maybe 1 or 2 miles, if they were doing that, when the damn reports have now shown that there was no speed that AI fucking pulled from the records. Yeah, but here we got, oh hell, we can do this real quick here. Let's do this. And then I'll come back. Yeah, here we go. We got a traffic right here. 75 and a 65, y'all. See that right there? Guilty plea. Oh, let me make it a little bigger. There you go. 75 and a 65. All right. Now let's see here. We got some financial stuff too. This person's not very responsible with money. Failure to wear a seatbelt. So they're an idiot. No insurance. No financial responsibility, it looks like. Oh, we got a bank. Small claims up to $5,000. Yep, no financial responsibility. Criminal, misdemeanor. Domestic abuse, assault and battery, misdemeanor. Ah. Admonished from all communication. Oh, but it's not women, y'all. Yeah, it is a woman. Probation violation. Yeah. Defendant taken back into custody. Bond revoked on revocation. Criminal subpoena issued. Defendant revoked in full and taken into custody. Determination of indigence. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to talk about other people and their jobs and their situation and stuff, and he's been indigent multiple times. Bench warrant issued. Defendant not currently in 30-day program nor at the halfway house for 6 months agreed upon. The defendant in the court to be held without bond for failure to comply. Yeah, just don't know how to adhere to those agreements he makes. Defendant revoked for 1 year in county jail. Upon defendant release, he's begun making payments at the rate of $100 per month. Order revoking suspended sentence and commitment. Yeah. Offender lookup, DOC number right there, 2016. Just got done with that one in 2016, y'all. Just got done with that one in 2016. Let's see here. Domestic abuse, assault and battery, misdemeanor. Another one. Or what, was that the same one? Hold on. Yeah, that was the same one. Hold on, let me go to this one. This is the next one I wanted to go to. Criminal felony. Domestic abuse, assault and battery, second and subsequent offense. Felony, harassing and threatening electronic communication, misdemeanor. What do you know? He likes to threaten and harass on electric communication. I can foresee one of those coming again in his near future. Let's see what we got here. Had to pay money into the service courthouse security sub-account, the child abuse multidisciplinary account, the revolving fund. Let's see what else here. Warrant of arrest, preliminary. Defendant without attorney taken back into custody and bond revoked. Why did you get your bond revoked? What'd you do? Commitment. Determination of indigence again. Termination of indigence. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Taxpayer-appointed lawyer, y'all. No defendant. Issue bench warrant. Bond forfeiture. Hold without bond. So he didn't even show up that time. Oh, recalled bench warrant. He had something going on, y'all. Is more important. He got it recalled. Failure to appear issued. Bench warrant recalled. Let's see. Defendant is not in 12 and 12 program. Hold defendant without bond. This motherfucker just can't learn. Acknowledges information, waives reading, enters plea of not guilty, 30 days to file a motion, mutual discovery. Knowingly and voluntarily enter plea of guilty to counts 1 and 2, sentenced on count 1 to 3 years deferred, and 1 year on count 2 deferred, subject to DOC probation. Defendant to pay all fines and costs. He got a deferment, y'all. Fucking deferment. Fucking abusing and harassing and threatening the communication of a fucking woman. DNA lab fee. Oh, they took his DNA. Felony plea revocation sentencing. Accelerate deferred judgment. Bench warrant to accelerate issued sheriff. Termination of indigence again. Return for probation violation. Defendant requests bond. Court sets bond at $100,000. Woo! Violation report. Criminal subpoena issued. Looks like he violated it. I bet you anything he fucking went and violated the fucking protective order and just couldn't stay away. No means no. No means no when a woman says it. Isn't that right, Mr. Vick? Drug offender work camp or similar program. 5 years in Department of Corrections sentencing with balance suspended upon successful completion. DOC probation following fines and cost. Bench warrant. Failure to pay issued sheriff and county. Offender lookup. DOC number. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, but it wasn't a woman, guys. Hell, that shit just got finished up in 2019. Letter from Wings to Freedom, 7/9/2019. That's how fresh this jailbird is. All right, look here, another criminal felony. Damn. We got a criminal misdemeanor of assault and battery domestic, criminal felony of assault and domestic. Now we got a criminal felony of domestic abuse, assault and battery. Wow. Yeah, but he don't have 3 domestic violence stuff. No. I'm just lying, y'all. Yeah. Well, we'll pull the receipts out. Termination of indigence again. Da-da-da-da. Warrant issued. Yep. Hold on. 2015. Let me make sure that's not the same. Nope, those are different cases. So, yeah. Vickery Crystal versus Vickery Kyle Ray. Protective order. Oh, my. Emergency protective order issued and served. Petitioner appeared pro se through properly served. The defendant failed to appear. Defendant in jail on CF. Oh, he was on jail in the other case. He would like to get counseling for defendant. The emergency order will remain in full force and effect. And they dismissed it, I guess, because he got his. See, he abused that person so much that they wanted to get him counseling, not knowing that this motherfucker just does not learn. She felt sorry for him. Divorce, family and domestic. Oh dear. Non-jury trial, 2016. We got some documents here we can open. Ooh, we got some income information here. So, yeah, well, I'll show that later when we come back. Let's see the motion for the default judgment. Well, I'll get this stuff. Let's see what else we got. In the marriage of Jamie Harris. Damn. 2 marriages, both failed. God dang. Or maybe this is the marriage license currently. Oh, I might have been wrong there. You know, it happens. I believe, man. I just hope to hell if that was in 2020, I hope to God that Jamie Marie is not in any danger. By the way, this is all public information, folks. None of this is doxing. You might hear people say that it's doxing, but this is public record, public information, just like they others love to do with other people. I am not exempt from not being able to do it. We got some traffic infractions here. Failure to carry valid insurance. Just cannot keep that valid insurance current, can you? 2018. 99 and 75 speeding. Damn. Right on the edge of 100. This ain't doxing. This ain't doxing, April. And you know what? You can get out of here. Oh, yeah, you fully bricked. Yeah. Look, we got somebody in here that just can't say no. I told him to stay away and not communicate with me. I'm not communicating with him. Look, that's some gay shit right there. Keep saying that you're hard on because I'm sitting here exposing the fact that you got fucking felony, misdemeanor, domestic, got fucking all fucking domestic violence charges. Never can own a gun again. Never, ever, ever can own a firearm. Yeah, but I got a video of you talking about you got a Bluetooth hole puncher, which is slang for a firearm. Everybody knows that. I looked it up online, and all the sources showed it. I better hope that that's not true. No, everybody ain't got a pass like this. I got one old charge on my record. You know what it is? Misdemeanor possession of marijuana. Guess what? That shit's fucking basically expunged now automatically because of the law change 2 years ago. So no, not everybody has a past. But this is not doxing. I thought you were against doxing. This is public information. Do you want to know what the definition of doxing is? Because I will get it up for you, hun. Look at there. Hold on. I'm about to get it pulled up for you. Here we go. Here we go. Good old Google. Read that and weep right there. No, sharing publicly available court records is not considered doxing. Doxing involves releasing private or difficult to obtain information with malicious intent. While posting public records can have negative consequences, it's different from doxing, which involves a combination of private information like social security numbers and or bank details and malicious intent to harass or cause harm. This person started harassing me and has been declared saying that, oh, we're going to milk him. He don't get to go through April's lives. I'll snipe and go over any lives I want to. And guess what? You can fucking copyright strike them, and then I can fucking file a reverse claim, just like y'all have done with every fucking thing I've made and you've stolen from my fucking channels. And we'll see if you got the balls to go to court over it. And when you do, you're going to lose from fair use. You know, people could say this is milk and whatever. I wanted to come on here and show this because I had heard through the grapevine that apparently, oh, it wasn't no females, it was her. I don't have those charges. He keeps going with that and running with it. Well, did I not just show it and prove it? 5 years in the fucking pen, y'all. Got a DOC number. No, saying the name of a single mother ain't doxing. Not if it's up there on that public available court record information. I'm not doing it with harassment or malicious intent. I said I hope the hell that Miss Jamie is safe as well as Miss Crystal. I ain't got nothing against them. I ain't harassing them. I ain't giving them unwanted contact. You know, harassment is, well, at least in my state, 2 or more unwanted contacts. I ain't ever contacted them people. I ain't going to. But you keep spinning that yarn, and you keep altering what facts are and just put it out there. Now, we'll be back after these short commercial breaks and everything else. Yeah. Liar, liar.